Do you know 10% of the deaths in India is due to sudden cardiac arrest? A heritable 25 base pair deletion from the gene coding for cardiac myosin binding protein C, MYBPC3, is associated with cardiomyopathy and risk for heart failure in South Asian populations. Various MYBPC3 mutations have been associated in several world populations with cardiac disease. However, the 25BP deletion occurs in approximately 4% of individuals in the Indian subcontinent. Carriers of this deletion demonstrate an increased risk for heart failure. In India, 1 in 25 people have gene mutation that causes heart failure. Previous studies by Sadayappan and other researchers found that about 4% of people who live in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Malaysia carry the mutation. Carriers have about a 90% chance of developing heart failure after age 45. About 60 million people worldwide, including about 40 million Indians, carry the mutation. Sadayappan said the mutation likely arose in a single person roughly 33,000 years ago and spread throughout South Asia. In younger carriers, the heart can compensate for this effect. But as the person ages, his or her heart is no longer able to compensate. Heart muscle becomes inflamed and does not work well, a condition called cardiomyopathy. The most common manifestation of cardiomyopathy is heart failure. The heart can't pump enough blood to the rest of the body. This study was published in highly prestigious journal in the world, Nature Genetics. Since this mutant gene is present in 4% of South Asian people with a high incidence of heart disease, it may represent a genetic marker providing an early warning for potential heart disease in South Asians. Get your MYBPC3 DNA test now. Once in a lifetime test. Know your risk of cardiac arrest before it hits and take precautions to get rid of it. CardioCare Genetics Lab, first time in India, initiated a screening program of MYBPC3 25BP deletion, aiming to screen all Indians by 2025. For more information about this test, visit www.cardiocaregenetics.com.